Okay, now let's look at question 5. A fresh salad with tomatoes may contain the compound. Okay, so this compound here, just sketch it out. C, 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 double bond C. Okay, so what do we have here? We have an alkene and an aldehyde. Okay, so first off, you have sodium boron hydride, which is going to reduce the aldehyde. You're going to reduce it to alcohol. Okay, then after that, you do a oxidation. The alcohol will convert to a carboxylic acid. So your final compound, right? Alkene reacting with, not reacting with, alkene functional group and carboxylic acid functional group present. So our answer here is A. Okay, do remember that alkenes, right, will not react with dichromate. Okay, dichromate does not react with alkene. Yep. Okay, so the second step is only oxidizing the primary alcohol.